Hey guys, you're welcome back to Webele Concept TV. Thank you guys for turning back to this channel. My name is Wahabi Oladeji. Today guys, I want to discuss about the cost of installing a 3D wallpaper on the wall. We have wallpaper, we have the 3D wall panel. What we mean by 3D wall panel is a wall design that is used for designing the TV side, modern house design of our houses these days. So, guys, when we're about planning to install a 3D wallpaper, 3D wall panel like the one is showing on the screen, and the first thing you need to know is the measurements of the wall parts. You measure the height and the breadth of the wall. With this, it will give you an insight of what you are planning to do or what is the measurement, and the measurement will be able to give you the costs of buying the material and the costs of installing the 3D panel. So, like the one you are seeing on the screen now is a 12-meter square 3D panel. The design of the 3D panel is such that is a 4 pieces per square meter. So that means we have 12 meter, and the cost of this 3D panel is 4,200 naira. That was the cost of buying this 3D panel per square meter. So you are buying 12 meter. That means you'll be multiplying 12 meter times 4,200. This is what will give you the cost of the 3D panel you are buying. Then the cost of installation is a 1,300 naira per meter. So this is the cost you are going to pay the installer or the 3D installer that will be putting the panel on the wall with the design layout. And the cost will now be 1,300 times 12. This is how you can estimate the cost of 3D panel, the labor and the material charges, and the what other material needed is the acoustic gum. But when you want to lay a 3D panel on your TV side, you need to have a smooth surface. Your building is designed with such that it has a test coat paint like stone paint on the wall, you won't be able to achieve the smooth surface of the 3D panel. Also, if you are planning to use a wallpaper on the wall of your TV side, or if you are planning to use a wallpaper on the wall of your other home design, what you need to do is just to take the measurement. A roll of a wallpaper is about 5 meters square. So if you have something like a 12 meter square, like the 3D panel will install, that means you are buying 3 pieces of the wallpaper. That means you are buying 3 rolls, which is one roll is a 5 meter square. That means you are buying 15 meter square because of the off cut and other pieces that will be waste during cutting and laying. And what you need when you want to lay a wallpaper is you need the wallpaper gum. There is the gum you use to install a 3D panel is different from the gum you use to install a wallpaper. So this is how it is being estimated. The cost difference is different. The what 3D panel is more expensive than the wallpaper. So guys, this is what Billy Concept TV. Thank you guys for watching.